Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Abdul Salam, the student of computer science, and in this video presentation we will see what is MIT App Inventor and Blynk and the key difference between MIT App Inventor and the importance of IoT. So here is the outline of today's presentation, the basic of IoT, IoT trends and applications, and then we see MIT App Inventor and then Blynk, the key difference between MIT App Inventor and Blynk application. So what is Internet of Things? Internet of Things is a network of devices which can sense, accumulate, and transfer data over the internet without any human intervention. So now think about it, what makes things alive? What makes living things alive? They can sense and communicate with each other. Now imagine if inanimate objects could sense and interact with each other without any human intervention. Sounds amazing. This is mu- this is pretty much underlying concepts of Internet of Things. So now we see what are the applications, some applications of Internet of Things. IoT is here to change the world. We know smart cars, smart homes, smart cities, everything around us can be turned into smart devices with the help of Internet of Things. Sure does bring the coolness factors to technologies. So now here's some of the example of IoT smart home applications. When we talk about IoT applications, smart homes are probably the first thing that we think of. The best example of IoT is the best example I can think of here is the Jarvis, the AI home automation employed by Mark Zuckerberg. Here is also this is a great application we see in daily life. Now we see what is MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor help people around the world build applications that can make difference for their families, schools, and communities, even if they have never programmed before. MIT App Inventor is changing how the world creates application and how kids learn about mobile computing. Over 4 lakh active inventors a month from 195 cities and countries have created more than 22 billion applications. MIT App Inventor now brings the same power and simplicity of applications of IoT and the universe of connected devices. Now we see what is a Blynk. Blynk is a new platform that allows you to quickly build interfaces for controlling and monitoring your hardware projects from your iOS to Android devices. After downloading the Blynk application, you can create a project, dashboard, and arrange buttons, sliders, graphs, and other widgets over the internet and screen. Using the widgets, you can turn prints on and off or display the data from sensors. Whatever your project is, there are some likely hundred of tutorials that make hardware part pretty easier, but building the software part is still very difficult. But with the help of Blink application, the software side is even more easier than hardware. Blink is perfect for interacting with simple projects like monitoring the temperature of your room or fish tank or turning light on and off remotely. So now the main part of our today's presentation is the key difference between MIT App Inventor and Blink. First thing first, we see both are free in every sense of the word. Blink has a pay more model in place, and it seems very reasonable. But if you install and Blink server, then connect your app to that, you can get a very large number of credits. And if you log into the web servers admin interface for the server, you will find the credits and entirely editable for you. In this way, with the help of that, you can see Blink completely without cost. We can use this for our IoT applications. For now, we see what are the developments for side. Blink is entirely focused on IoT devices like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. Development what is means is that app can add buttons, graph, gadgets, text boxes, etc. However, there is no ability to edit the programming logic with the help of within the app. You can write a program like logic code and put the code in place on your destination devices. Now we see what is a MIT App Inventor. No, it's also a free of cost, entirely free mobile application development with a high level of confidence, given that it's been around for a long time and being backed by MIT. The author of MIT open source means it is also open source with the help of MIT and App Inventor. Rather than IoT focus and development environment, you can get a general purpose application development. Means it is not only used for the IoT application. We can also use MIT App Inventor for simply application development. It's based on a Google Blocky programming language. So all the program is done by dragging various blocks and they look like a puzzle pieces around. So that's all about today's presentation.